I have a few of my first grade students here working on their animal adaptations project, and some of my third graders who have brought their simple machines. Being able to present to zoo experts and engineers, we try and make the connection in the classroom, but this has brought it to kind of another level of being able to really showcase their work.
We're showing our shoe that matches a place, like the rainforest or the Arctic, the desert, or the savannah. I talked about how it was camouflage, and you can step in the water so the fish wouldn't see you, and you could step on the grass so the bugs wouldn't see you.
It really is the same as our everyday, where we're trying to solve for a problem. We're not just creating something from a fashion perspective. You need to have a functionality to it, and what is it for, who is it for, what are they doing, and that's exactly what these kids are doing with these projects.
Our project was we had to get a tiger out of a moat, and we had difficulties, but it was like a challenging, fun project to do because we were collaborating. I've overcome my fear of like talking in front of different people because it was fun showing what I can do and what I can improve.
Having young people who are prepared to overcome the challenges of everything from climate change to loss of biodiversity is really going to be key.